I fucked around and got a brand new bitch.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, here is the car that is replacing the Accord. This is a 1993 Honda Civic, 4-door, nothing crazy. It's still on stock suspension. Well, I guess, for some people it might be crazy. It's on stock suspension. It's got a set of aftermarket, I don't know what kind of wheels, but some Nittos in the front, some regular nothing specials in the back. It still has full interior. Yep, full interior. It does not have AC anymore. It's got a full exhaust. I guess we'll go ahead and get to the good stuff. And well, after we're done talking about the good stuff, I'll tell you about the bad stuff. So let me pop the hood. It is a 5-speed manual, of course. Gotta have it. All right. So it has a B18 B1 swapped into here with a somewhat of an eBay turbo kit. I believe, I don't remember, I think it's a Godspeed Racing turbo. I don't know what size it is. He upgraded the wastegate. It's got a Turbo Smart, a decent wastegate. Yeah, I don't remember what kind of intercooler it's got in there, but I don't think that was the original eBay intercooler. And yeah, so it's also got 450cc injectors. They're DSM injectors running a resistor box. This is on a OBD1 ECU that has been chipped and tuned. I don't know if it's been tuned on Chrome or Chrome Pro, Neptune, one of those chipped tuning softwares. But yeah, she runs pretty good. I think last time on dyno it made high 200 range, 280 or something. I'll see if I can find the video of that. I know it was tuned by J Mills Tuning, and she runs good. I'll put some clips of that coming up here in a second. But we talked about the good. Now we got to talk about the bad. And the car had been backed into. So if you see right here, it's got hood damage, it's got fender damage, it's got fender damage. Actually, a scooter wrecked into it right here. So it got backed into by a truck, and then a scooter wrecked into it, and I think that's actually where the wheel hit, and then it like kind of came over or whatever. So yeah, fender, door, hood, all damaged. Most likely, easiest fix would be replacing those. The door is not necessarily as bad as the fender. The fender is toast. Like, look at this crunch right here. That's toast. The hood, not really a big deal on replacing the hood. Can get those. It's got a love hole right there. That is rust, 100%. Back bumper's okay. Missing a little bit of paint. Ooh, it's got a love mark right there. She's not perfect by any means, but I think putting a fender on, hood, fixing that front end area, and then getting a cheap paint job like I did on my Mustang or like on Peyton's Integra, it would really breathe some life back into this car. So I guess the talking portion of this is done. If you guys are liking this and want to see some more, comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm also going to be borrowing these wheels and tires. I'll jack the car up, get the wheels and tires off, and take them over to the Integra, so that way I can get the Integra here, because the Integra's wheels and tires are toast. They're super dry rotted and nasty. But yeah, I'll try to drive the Integra here. Hopefully it makes it. That'll be a whole video and experience of itself. But yeah, it's starting to rain, so let me put those clips of the car running and driving in, and we'll go from there. right, hopefully you guys enjoyed that stuff. On the inside, I did want to show you, he had swapped out the steering wheel. The stock steering wheel was coming apart at the top. He put in a black Integra steering wheel. He said he liked it, that kind of thing. I like it. It seems that it kind of fits. I mean, wrong color, but it doesn't really matter. The body has 246,000 miles on it. Not a big deal. It's about to click over 247,000 miles. The gas gauge is off. It reads at full tank, it reads right above half, and when it gets to empty, it still has like 5 gallons. So for some reason, it's like I don't know. I don't know if that's the sending unit's bad or the gauge. Either or, it probably could be fixed with either a new sending unit or a new cluster, one or the other. It doesn't overheat or anything crazy like that. Got a little boost gauge, wideband AEM. It's got an aftermarket radio in it with a sub in the back. That's pretty cool. You know, not necessarily needed, but always appreciated. And yeah, I actually reached out to my buddy. He's gonna see if he can't breathe some life back into these seats. They're super dirty and super old. This carpet is also very dirty. Yeah, this car, I'm not gonna say it's had a rough life, but it definitely hasn't been babied. It's been drove hard. One thing I did also really like is it's got the upgraded shifter bushings. So if you've ever drove a car that doesn't have them, and then you get in one that does, it's just super like notchy feeling. It feels really good and really tight. So it's not sloppy at all. Actually really nice. So thank you guys. Peace out. We'll see you on the next one. Adios.